was really fun working with Jim and Deb, mostly because of the excitement that they brought into it. They were passionate, well-read, and well-learned in all of this stuff.
Deb, from the beginning, wanted to do net zero. So we went at that as our goal.
It's just the right thing to do. We knew we were fundamentally building probably a single-story house or a very simple house.
They managed the siting of the home so that it was optimized for photovoltaic solar panels.
A lot of times we took a cardboard model out here on the site when it was just a pile of gravel and twisted the house around and see how we'd look out the various windows. And
I thought he was nuts.
Pardon?
A lot of the fill, a lot of the gravel that they used came right from the own site. They didn't have to truck it in from somewhere else.
As we started to design this house, we were thinking double wall construction, triple glazed windows.
Working with Ashley at Vermont, it was a pleasure. Ashley was very positive. They all were.
This house has all the systems that a typical Vermont home would have. It has Mitsubishi mini split air source heat pumps, which provide your primary heating and cooling. It also has heat pump water heater, heat pump dryer, a serve system, which is a conditioning energy recovery ventilator.
All of that mechanical equipment is entirely contained within that thermal envelope. The roof they used was a solid piece of foam insulation. It was a structural insulated panel. That, combined with the two boxes on top of an insulated concrete form foundation, made an entire 360-degree thermal envelope.
Then the added feature that wouldn't be standard for every Vermont home, but is absolutely something that we push, is the GeoLoop system. And it's just a loop that's put around the house when the foundation is being dug.
So their home scored a 44 before incorporating the renewable power. After incorporating the solar, that HERS score dropped to 4.
We wouldn't have known anything about the challenge if it hadn't been for Ashley. She said, Eversource is running this amazing challenge and you should apply.
When I found NHSaves and found out about their program with the Net Zero Home Competition, as well as their rebates and incentives, I was like, yes, this is the light in New Hampshire for net zero builders.
We had been working with Eversource all along because we had the underground power and we had to bring the transformer in and we had to arrange for the new pole. So we basically started with Eversource a long time ago.
It was great working with Eversource. They were very helpful and always answering our questions and assigning the Kennedys an energy rater, which was a great feature.
If you can get to the place where you're spending a lot less on your energy costs, then that would make sense for us growing older and having fewer resources.
We believe in trying to create a brighter future for our children, clean air for our grandchildren, clean water. That's really important to us. If you can avoid having a carbon footprint, it's absolutely worth it to do it.
My favorite feature is the views out of every window. Every window's a frame to the outside, which is so beautiful.
Deb loves it. This is her favorite place, and she is so happy here.